If you want to cancel a Namecheap domain or simply turn off auto-renew, this video will walk you through the whole process step by step. I'll also show you how to contact Namecheap support if you want to request immediate cancellation, so you can choose the option that fits your situation best. If this tutorial helps, please take a second to like the video and subscribe for more helpful walkthroughs like this. It really helps the channel grow, and I appreciate it a lot. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're signed in, you'll want to head over to the domain list. This is where all of your registered domains are displayed in one place, so it's the easiest spot to manage renewal settings and account actions. If you have multiple domains, take a moment to find the exact one you want to cancel or stop from renewing. This is important because you want to make sure you're changing the right domain and not affecting anything else you still need. After you find the domain, look right next to it for the auto-renew option. Namecheap makes this pretty easy to spot, and this setting controls whether the domain renews automatically when the expiration date comes up. If you no longer want the domain to renew, click Auto-Renew to turn it off. When you do this, Namecheap will usually show you a confirmation message so you can double check that you really want to disable it. This is a good time to pause and make sure you're sure about the change, especially if the domain is tied to a website, email address, or any other service you still use. Once the confirmation message appears, click Yes to confirm. After that, auto-renew will be disabled for the domain. That means the domain will stay active until its current expiration date, and then it will expire if you do not manually renew it before that date. So just to be clear, turning off auto-renew does not remove the domain immediately. It simply stops the next automatic renewal from happening. If that's all you wanted to do, then you're basically finished. Now, if you want to request immediate cancellation, the process is a little different. Go back to the domain list and scroll down until you see the Need Help section. This section is where Namecheap provides support options if you need extra help with your account or domain settings. From there, click Go to Live Chat. That should open up the support chat option so you can contact their team directly. Next, click the chat icon in the bottom right corner. Once the chat opens, tell Namecheap support that you want to cancel or remove the domain immediately. Be as clear as possible so the support agent understands exactly what you need. Depending on the domain and the situation, they may ask you a few questions or give you specific instructions before they can process the request. Just follow the steps they provide and they'll guide you through the rest of the cancellation process. And that's it. You now know how to turn off auto-renew on a Namecheap domain, and you also know how to request immediate cancellation through live chat if needed. If this video saved you time or made the process easier, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.